How to disable Facebook share button. So if you want to disable your Facebook share button, then first of all you have to open up your Facebook application. And then after opening your Facebook, you have to log into your account. And after logging in, now you can simply go to the blank which says what's on your mind. And here you have to simply write something. And after writing something, now you can go to the upper left corner which says public. You can simply tap on that, and here you will have 4 to 5 options. And now you can go to the second option which is friends, and then you can simply tap on done, which is on the bottom of your screen. And after writing something, then you can go to post, which is on the upper right corner. And that's it. That's how you disable your share button by simply editing the privacy. Now your friends won't be able to share that on their newsfeed. So that's it. That's how you disable your share button. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.